First day of the Duffle Sew Along. We talk about the materials you need, how I prep my zippers, and the 3 decisions you have to make. Now let's start with your zippers. And this is what I do. I'm taking a plain zipper and cut off the metal bits at the end. Just like this. And then I'm taking my zipper pulls off, dividing my zipper into 2. And then I'm doing the same to a different zipper to get this turquoise pull. And please don't worry, we won't be wasting the zipper. We're going to use it for something else later on. Now take one of your zipper pulls and pop it on a fork, just like this. Really push it in to make sure it's nicely stuck. And this is how it should look like. Now take one side of your zipper and carefully thread it through, just like this. Just get it in a teeny bit and don't pull it all the way through. Now take the second side of your zipper and pull it through on the other side. As soon as both sides are in, I push the bottom of the fork against my tummy and then pull down both sides of the zipper, just like this. And that's the first zipper pull on. Now we do the same on the other side, making it a double pull zipper. I'm inserting my zipper pull just like this. And it should now look like this. Then I add the first side of my zipper just like this again. And then the other side. Now fork against my tummy and I pull it all through. And there you've got it, a double pull zipper for you, using different colors. And here we go, the other zipper won't be wasted. Now let's talk about all the materials you need for your duffel. Make sure you get a copy of the pattern over on my website. Of course, I'll be using fabric, but I'm also going to use some foundation paper piece blocks. You can find the free templates on my website. I'll make sure to link them for you below. And you will need some hardware for your duffel bag. That's 2 swivel hooks, 2 D-rings and a slider. I like to use 2 different thread weights, 50 weight for construction and 28 weight for top stitching and quilting. And glue spray, that will come in super handy for basting your fabric later on. And not pictured as my interfacing, I'm using soft and stable for my bag. And finally I would like you to make a decision. Number 1, choose the size of your duffel. Are you making the mini or the large one? Number 2, will you add handles and pockets, yes or no? You decide. And number 3, will you make a patchwork duffel or a whole cloth one, using only one piece of fabric? Again, up to you. And if you decide to make a patchwork one, that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. Otherwise you're off and I see you on day 3. And of course, if you can't wait, you can watch the full video tutorial for the duffel bag over here.